In a communication dated 23rd January, an official of the Victims Assistance Unit brought to the notice of the Chief Minister, the Director General of Goa Police and the Director of Prosecution that a lady police sub-inspector attached to the Phatorda police station, who is the investigating officer in a case involving the alleged gang rape of a mentally ill girl by 5 accused in January 2025, had pressured the victim and her mother to give a no objection before the trial court for the bail of the accused. The communication further alleged that the LPSI had also pressurized the victim and her mother to settle the case with the accused in exchange for a substantial monetary amount. The Victims Assistance Unit has now sent a second communication to the Chief Minister, the Director General of Police and the Director of Prosecution, stating that the lady police sub-inspector in question further contacted the victim and her mother on their personal mobile phones and allegedly intimidated them by misusing her official position and authority. The Victims Assistance Unit has also alleged that the investigating officer shared the victim's contact details with the family members of the accused, thereby posing a serious threat to the safety of the victim and her family. On the basis of the alleged misconduct by the investigating officer LPSI, the Victims Assistance Unit has not only requested the authorities to transfer the investigation to a lady police officer of inspector rank, but has also sought a re-investigation of the case. The Victims Assistance Unit has expressed apprehension that the LPSI may have deliberately left loopholes in the investigation in connivance with the accused. However, South Goa Superintendent of Police Tikam Singh Verma told Prudent that an inquiry has been already initiated by a senior lady police inspector into the allegations communicated by the Victims Assistance Unit, and the appropriate action will be taken based on the inquiry report. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.